Hello friends, we welcome all you to our official YouTube channel and this video, AXSX official YouTube channel, Aeronautics and Space Exploration. In this video, we are going to see the updates and new happenings in the month of January 2024. So let's start with the updates. 1st January. 1st January is very important day for Bharatiya Space Research Organization and all astronomers because on 1st January, Bharat and United States join forces that ExpoSat lifts off to unravel the cosmic mystery. On 1st January 2024, Bharat and United States embark on a groundbreaking joint mission with the launch of ExpoSat satellite. This small but mighty spacecraft carries instruments designed to study the polarization of light from stars and galaxies, a phenomena that can reveal the crucial information about their information, evolution, and magnetic field. This historic collaboration marks significant step forward in international space cooperations and promises to unlock new frontiers in astronomical research. On New Year Day, a historic collaboration took place. Bharatiya Space Research Organization or ISRO and NASA blasted off from the Sriharikota spaceport in Bharat. This small but mighty spacecraft carries the instrument designed to study the polarization of light. ExpoSat will orbit Earth in an elliptical path, reaching an altitude of 71,000 km at its farthest point. Its instrument will scan the cosmos, measuring the tiny rotation of light waves emitted by celestial objects. This data will unlock a treasure trove of an insight, helping scientists understand the early universe and the distribution of interstellar dust and the properties of distant galaxies. Again, the 1st January also important for us because Bharatiya's first dark sky park, Pench Tiger Reserve designated for astronomers. On January 1st, Pench Tiger Reserve was officially designated as Bharatiya's first Dark Reserve Park or Dark Sky Park. This prestigious recognition acknowledged the reserve's exponential effort in preserving the natural light sky and minimizing the light pollution. This achievement is not only beneficial for astronomy enthusiasts but also crucial for protecting the delicate ecosystem of reserves. Pench Dark Reserve Park status brings several benefits. First, protecting the ecosystem. Light pollution disrupts the natural rhythm of nocturnal animals, impacting their behavior and survival. Pench strict lighting regulation will help safeguard the reserve's diverse wildlife population, boosting astrotourism. The reserve's pristine sky offers prime stargazing conditions, attracting astronomy enthusiasts and nature lovers. Dedicated observation facility and educational programs will further enhance the astrotourism and experience. Promoting responsible development. Pench Dark Sky Park serves as a model for sustainable lighting practice, setting a precedent for other protected areas and urban communities. January 3rd. Our planet makes its closest approach to the Sun for the year, coming within the 147 million kilometers. This annual event doesn't significantly affect global temperature, but it does influence certain astronomical phenomena. January 3rd and 4th, Quadrantis meteor shower peak. Skywatcher in the northern hemisphere were treated to a celestial light show as the Quadrantis meteor shower reaches at its peak. Around 40 meteors per hour could be seen from dark location, striking across the night sky with the speed of up to 41 km per second. January 6th, Aditya L1 reaches solar orbit. Bharatiya's ambitious mission to study the Sun from a unique vantage point achieved a major milestone. The Aditya L1 spacecraft successfully arrived at its designated Lagrange point 1, located about 1.5 million km from Earth. From this stable position, Aditya L1 will continuously observe the Sun's chromosphere and corona, unraveling the mystery of solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and the solar wind. The spacecraft carries 7 sophisticated instruments, each designed to capture different aspects of Sun's activity. January 17th. Jupiter and Moon conjunction. The luminous king of planet, Jupiter, joined the crescent moon in a celestial duet. Skywatchers were treated to a significant sight as these two celestial bodies appear close together in the western sky just after sunset. January 19th, JAXA's Smart Lander touches down on the moon. Japan made a giant leap for its space program with the successful landing of its Smart Lander on the lunar surface. This mission signifies Japan's growing expertise in lunar exploration and opened door for future research and exploration initiatives. January 20, the conjunction between the Moon and the Pleiades star cluster on January 20, 2024 was indeed a captivating celestial event. Here is a breakdown of what you might even witnessed. The conjunction offers a chance to appreciate the vastness and the beauty of cosmos, showcasing the moon's dynamic dance with the stars. It also serves as a reminder of cyclical nature of celestial bodies and the ever-changing tapestry of the night sky. January 25th, Comet 144P Kushida makes its closest approach to the Sun. The icy traveler comet Kushida reaches its closest point to the Sun for this year, venturing within 74 million kilometers of our star. This short period comet, completing an orbit around the Sun every 7.6 years, became visible with binocular or small telescope, showcasing its icy tail and glowing coma to skywatcher. Full moon. The wolf moon, named after the wailing of hungry wolves during harsh winter months, bathed the night sky in its silvery glow. This mesmerizing spectacle offers photographers and skygazers alike a chance to capture the moon's beauty in its various phases. January 27th, first instrument operational on Aditya L1. The Bharatiya Sun Observing Mission Aditya L1 marks a significant milestone with the activation of its first instrument, the Solar Ultraviolet Imager suite, magnetometer and plasma analyzer package for Aditya Papa successfully began collecting the data, paving the way for detailed observation of the Sun's chromosphere, corona and solar wind. So apart from this all updates, aerospace updates also happening this month. So let's see that one. NASA's Mars helicopter Ingenuity continued to defy expectations in January, successfully completing over 40 flights on the red planet. This tiny rotorcraft, originally designed for just 5 flights, has become a technological marvel, pushing the boundaries of aerial exploration on Mars, and now it's sleeping mode or unconditional mode where it cannot fly further. Astronomers unveiled the first ever map of magnetic field structure within a spiral arm of our Milky Way galaxy. This groundbreaking achievement, using the data from the European Space Agency Gaia spacecraft, providing crucial insight into the galaxy's formation and evolution. Understanding the intricate dance of the magnetic field could shed light on the star birth, the movement of gas and dust, and the overall dynamics of our galactic home. Laser instrument on NASA's LRO successfully pings Bharatiya moon lander. For the first time on the moon, a laser beam was transmitted and reflected between an orbiting NASA spacecraft and an Oreo-sized device on ISRO's Vikram lander on the lunar surface. The successful experiment opens the door to a new style of precisely locating target on the moon's surface. At 3 p.m. EST on December 2023, NASA's LRO its laser altimeter instrument towards Vikram. The lander was 62 miles or 100 kilometers away from LRO near Manigeus crater in the moon's south pole region when LRO transmitted laser pulse toward it after the orbiter registered light that has bounced back from the tiny NASA reflector aboard Vikram. NASA scientists knew their technique had finally worked. Sending laser pulse towards an object and measuring how long it takes the light to bounce back is a commonly used way to track the location of Earth orbiting satellites from the ground. But using the technique in reverse to send the laser pulse from a moving spacecraft to a stationary one to determine its precise location has many applications at the moon, scientists says. So guys, this is the updates and news and happenings in the month of January 2024. So astronomy and aerospace is very vast topic and lot of things going on the global scale, and I think it's cosmos scale. So join this channel and keep yourself updated for the astronomy and aerospace industry. Thank you.